You can expect a lot from the 2014 Lexus ES 350. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 40,000-mile mark. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Lexus are offered, including power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Lexus also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Stop in and take a test drive.